Hi guys, this is Ft.Devanshi Sharma and welcome to Mithaas Services official YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 things you should never do as a content writer. The first, plagiarism. What does plagiarism mean? Plagiarism basically refers to copying something that is already available on the internet or on the paperback or printed books and claim it to be your own written work. Let me tell you one thing, that if you are plagiarizing or you're just copy pasting from any other website, your client is going to fire you in literally the next 5 seconds. So never ever plagiarize. One small tip which can help you in avoiding plagiarism is that when you are researching and writing, never do that together. It shouldn't be that one tab says research and the other tab you are writing. Always read first and then write it in your own words. That will help you remove 60 to 70% of the plagiarism that could come into your content without you even knowing about it. The second thing which you should never do as a content writer is go ahead in a contract without advance payment. I've had so many people come and tell me that, they got the work done and they never, paid back. To avoid such a situation, always go ahead with 50% advance and 50% after you have done your work. This will help you secure your efforts and then will help you in creating that rapport with your client. The third thing, never write and edit together. When you write and edit together, you get into a vicious cycle of, enhancing your document. Never do that and save time there. There are a lot of editing tools like Grammarly, Microsoft Editor. Try using them. The free versions would be enough, and just see what are the places where you are wrong at. Try correcting yourself there and then submit your document to the client. The fourth thing that you should never do as a content writer is to be rigid about your creative ideas. Remember, you are writing for a client. The client has their own vision, their own mission about a brand. Don't be rigid towards creating a new vision all of a sudden. Any client, howsoever open, would be kind of skeptical to accept a new vision for their company altogether unless asked for. The fifth thing that you should never do as a content writer is to be redundant. When you are writing the same kind of content every few days, your client would just, think of hiring someone else who could do a better job, or would perhaps ask you to, change your way of writing. Now, when you are being redundant, it basically means you're following the same pattern, the same style, the same kind of content again and again. Try experimenting more. Try, innovating your content. Try bringing in new ideas. If you're doing 10 articles for a client, do one article that's absolutely different from the previous month. With that, you will garner the trust of your client like never before. These are the 5 things that you should never do as a content writer. Now, if you want to know more about content writing, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of workshops on content writing as well, the details of which are available in the description below, so do not forget to check them out as well. If you are willing to start a career in content writing, a big best of luck from Team Mithaas. Once again, do not forget to subscribe. Tada!